Stage 2. Today we're going to be doing reading, and it's another video for you to watch before filling out of forms. Today's lesson is all about Super 6, so it is a video that you need to watch before you are able to complete your forms. So what is comprehension? Comprehension is when you're able to interpret a text, so you're able to read a text and be able to make connections, summarize, visualize the setting, visualize the characters, show us that you really understand the text. What is Super 6? Super 6 is 6 different steps about comprehension that we can use when we are reading a book. Now, some of these Super 6 different elements are going to be very familiar to you and you might automatically do them. Some of them you might not, and that is okay because we'll go through them. The first of the Super 6 is making connections. So that's relating a text to your life or to the world. For example, with this book here, Why Jimmy Didn't Go to School, it's about a little boy that didn't want to go to school because he was being bullied at school, and he didn't tell anyone that that was the reason why. So you might be able to make those connections with this text by maybe you personally didn't want to go to school, or you know someone that didn't want to go to school because they were being bullied. So that's the first of Super 6. The second of the Super 6 is predicting. Predicting is another way for guessing what you think might happen in the text. So an activity that we do a lot of the time is looking at the cover of a book and predicting or guessing what you think might the text be about or what you think might happen next. So you look at the images, the words, maybe even the colors to predict what you think the text might be about. So the next number 3 is questioning. So this might be something that you already kind of do. Questioning is asking questions about the book. Maybe you don't understand something and you need clarification on a word or a phrase. Maybe you're questioning how the character may feel. So for example, in this book, obviously little Jimmy is getting bullied at school, and you can question, how does that make him feel? Does it make him feel sad? Does it make him feel anxious to go to school? So that's number 3. Number 4 is monitoring. Monitoring is making sure you can stop the text when you need to and think about things when the meaning is disrupted. What that means is sometimes you might read a text and realize, oh, I wasn't paying attention for the last page or so. When that happens, you have to stop. You have to question, is this making sense? You might need to reread some of your parts, and once you do that, you need to say, does it now make sense? So that is number 4. Number 5 is visualizing. So this is something we do when we read chapter books that have no pictures or limited pictures. So visualizing is reading some text and being able to picture the setting or the character or what is happening in our brains. It puts a picture in our heads so we can visualize and see the storyline from a visual perspective. And lucky last is number 6. 6 is all about summarizing the text. What this means is being able to read a text and reiterate or restate or retell all the events that happen in the text. You should be able to tell us the character, the setting, and the main story points. If it's an informative text, which means it's telling us information about something, we should be able to show that we have learnt something about the information we have been given. So that is number 6. So there was a lot of information thrown at you, but just to go over it in short term so we can try and remember some of it, we've got making connections, which is making those connections between real life and the story. We've got predicting, which is looking at the cover or the text and being able to predict or guess what the text is going to be about. We've got questioning, which is just asking questions about the story, which is something that we do a lot of the time anyway. We've got monitoring, so being able to stop and think, did I read something that made sense? And if you didn't, you're able to go back and reread it. The 5th one was visualizing, so picturing different pictures in your brain from reading the text. And the last one is summarizing, so that is to be able to retell all the events or show us something that you have learnt from the text. So your task for the day is to complete the Microsoft forms. Will be linked with this video. At the top is a little summary of the Super 6 to help you answer your questions. And below that will be a short text where you have to answer questions based on the Super 6. Okay, thank you Stage 2. That's your reading task done for the day once you have finished that Microsoft Forms. So make sure you submit it and put in the class that you're in. And yeah, bye.